Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys all about the Lucy & Co. Plumping Lip Gloss. We're going to test it out. We're going to see what it does, if it works, how it feels, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see all about this lip gloss, let's get into the video. Alright, so I was sent this lip gloss a long time ago. I don't even remember when it was. It was a long time ago. I used it once and I don't really remember how it did. I just remembered like I got the little tingly feeling and I think it did plump a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. So this is the Lucy & Co. Hydrating Lip Plumper in the clear gloss. It is $48. It says it plumps lips naturally within 15 minutes. It improves overall lip shape and volume, smooths and softens lip texture, and enhances your own natural lip color. Also, it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and never tested on animals. So all that is amazing. It is pretty pricey. I mean, for a plumping gloss, $48, that's... I hope it works. I hope it works good because then it'd be worth it. If it doesn't really do anything, I mean, I feel like some lip plumpers I've had in the past, like I just feel the tingle and then it doesn't really do anything. So I'm just like, I don't want a tingle for no reason. Like if I'm gonna deal with the tingle, because I don't like the tingle. I don't like it. It just doesn't feel nice to me. So if I'm gonna do that, I want it to actually make a difference on my lips. I have lip stuff on right now, so I'm just gonna go and wipe it off and I will be right back. I'm just gonna wipe it off right here. I have baby wipes. Baby wipes are great for everything, right? All right, so I have clean, dry lips. So let me try to show you closer my lips as of right now. I'm also gonna go take a picture so we can compare the picture. I'll also go take one in natural light. All right, so I took a picture in front of these lights here, and then I also took a picture in front of my window with natural light, so we can see the difference. So it says for best results, apply the Hydrating Lip Plumper to a clean, dry lip, staying within the natural lip line. It can be applied multiple times daily for maximum impact. You may use over or under your favorite lip color for an added pop. It says you'll notice the sweet peppermint aroma. You'll likely feel an immediate strong tingling sensation that may last up to 15 minutes. And then it says this is how you know the product is working. It says tiny microspheres carry the active ingredients which break upon application to the lips. The active ingredients work to increase blood circulation to the lips, causing them to swell. The broken microspheres fill up again by pulling in moisture from the air, continuing to increase volume to the lip tissue as well as keeping the plumping effect. So that's interesting. It says 90% showed increase in lip volume in 15 minutes. 90% saw improvement in overall lip appearance after 15 minutes, and then 63% had continued improvement 1 hour after application. So let's go ahead and apply the gloss. It is very tingly. Okay, now I'll do a timer and we wait 15 minutes. It is very, very tingly. It's like on the verge of like a burning. I don't know if this is worse than Lip Sense. Lip Sense was intense, but I feel like if you get a plumping effect that's different than just a lipstick, I don't think lipstick should just burn just applying it like Lip Sense does, at least to me. People have told me it doesn't burn them at all, or it did and then they got used to it. I don't know, whatever. This is like a challenge. Okay, I feel like I did one of those like hot spicy challenges where people eat like the spicy chips or like weird spicy suckers and stuff. Like I can't do that. I cannot eat spicy things. People are like, it's not even spicy, and I'm like burning. So I would suck at those challenges. That's a good tingle. Woo! It's been like 3 minutes and the tingling is calming down a lot. Like it was only really 3 minutes of tingle. So that's a lot better than the full 15 minutes. Still does tingle a little bit, but not nearly as much. And like this is, I could totally handle, so. All right, so it has now been the full 15 minutes. Just looking at them, I feel like they're definitely more like plump and a little more pink than normal. So, I mean, I think it definitely worked. Is it enough to justify that price? I don't know. Let me just show you guys. So let me take some pictures. All right, so I took a picture again with the lights and then another one in natural light to see the difference. And it did definitely plump my lip. They look fuller, they look plumper, they look more even. Like my top lip looks more even. Like I usually have one side that's like a little bit lower, like it's a little smaller. It like evened them out a little bit. I mean, they're still not perfectly even, but wow, I was not expecting that much of a difference. And it definitely did add like a tiny bit of color, not too much, but it almost looks like I just put on like a light pink lip gloss or something, but this is clear. I'm pretty impressed with the results. Like that's pretty good. And it only really tingled for like 3 minutes, and then after that it's fine. I still feel a slight tingle, but it's more of just a more minty feel, not like intense tingle like the first 3 minutes was. So I definitely do recommend this. It definitely works. If you're looking for a lip plumper that works, this is amazing. So I grabbed some lipstick. This one's from Victoria's Secret like a long time ago. I don't think they have it anymore. Then I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream in the shade C103, just in the center. It's more of a very light nude. I definitely feel like my lips are more like plump and juicy than normal. And this gloss is very like nice and comfortable. Like it's not sticky at all, but it's very, very shiny. But I definitely really like it, and I think I'm gonna start wearing it. I don't know why it took me so long to try this out. That is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do 3 videos a week. And if you wanna be notified when I upload, just ring that little notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.